Wow. So that's the program for today. And our postcats will get people to get in a position to be a great leader fast and easy, right? Is it easy though?
Um, nothing is easy.
Right.
It, we can make things. So what I would say is we mustn't confuse simple with easy. I have a
Uh-huh.
simple plan because you always need one. If I ever have to fight Mike Tyson, I have a very simple plan. When the bell rings, I run across the ring and I knock him out with one blow. That is a simple plan.
That is the plan. Does it always work? I'm not sure about
But
that.
it's not easy. So a lot of it is about simplifying things so we can understand what we need to do. But we still got, success requires hard work. But what we mustn't
Uh-huh.
do is make it more complicated by making it complex. When it's difficult to
Right.
understand, it's really, really difficult to do. When it's simple to understand, we make it a lot easier for ourselves, but not necessarily easy. You still got to
Yeah.
put in the hard work.